Namaste, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. You are welcome here with a request that if you did not subscribe our channel with notification till now, please subscribe it with notification to join hand with us to aware the public at large. Our friend Mr. R. Shiva, who belong to Chennai, and he is chief of leprosy wing of Saksham, discussed with me while I was in Tamil Nadu with him about discrimination. When we go through with the enactment, that is Right to Person with Disabilities Act 2016, its preamble, or you may say its background, enumerates some points, and those points are the basic of the TT to which India is signatory, and to give effect to the United Nations Convention on the Right of Person with Disabilities and for matters connected therewith are incidental thereto. Emphasis is being provided here. Incidental thereto. Whereas the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Convention on the Right of Person with Disabilities on the 30th day of December 2006, and whereas the aforesaid convention laid down the following principles of empowerment of person with disabilities: 1. Respect for inherent dignity, individual autonomy, including the freedom to make one's own choice and independence of person. B. Non-discrimination, in relation to which we are going to talk today. We should think about whether we are going to make our priority to sensitize the society for a movement for the removal of discriminatory laws, or we are going to sensitize the society as well as whole the environment in relation to implementation of the RPWD Act. Those laws who are discriminatory are also enacted by the center or the Assembly of States. One thing it is clear that the RPWD Act prohibits discrimination on the ground of disability. If there is discrimination on the ground of disability, it's offense, social offense as well as offense in the eyes of law, morality. So far leprosy person is concerned, the Modi-led government made so many amendments in the personal laws like Hindu law, Muslim law. Leprosy is not a ground of divorce. I would like to draw your kind attention towards schedule of the RPWD Act, wherein 21 categories of the person with disabilities are described. Please go through locomotor disability, which is one among the 21. In respect of locomotor disability, Act says locomotor disability bracket a person's inability to execute distinctive activities associated with movement of self and object resulting from affection of musculoskeletal, and the next word is most important, which is related to persons suffering with leprosy or affected with leprosy, or nervous system, or both. This is the crucial word, nervous system or both. Leprosy is a disease when a person loses his sensitivity on the skin, feet, legs, eyes, whatever is. And if sensation is lost, then definitely he is leprosy affected. Although there are so many symptoms of leprosy, one is loss of sensation. Spots are also a symptom. I am not a doctor, doctors will deal it. This point is very clear. Even if loss of sensation is there, he comes within the ambit of locomotor disability. And he deserves for the disability certificate too. On the ground of disability, he cannot be discriminated. Main point is whether implementation is our priority or removal of the discriminating laws is our priority. We will compare it. When we talk about discrimination, RPWD Act itself says and talk about non-discrimination. If two acts are there, like Leper Act and other laws, whatever are, if that enactment discriminate on the ground of disability, at that point of time, if this act will be read over, if the provision of this enactment will be argued and placed before the authority, then that act provision of discrimination shall not prevail. What will prevail? RPWD Act provision of non-discrimination. Come to another point. Section 96 of the RPWD Act reads that the provision of this act shall be in addition to and not in derogation of the provisions of any other law for the time being in force. This is the crucial point too. 96 says that this enactment is in addition to, not in derogation with. When we read it out with its half part, this enactment is in addition to, meaning thereby, if any discriminatory laws are there, that enactment which discriminate the person suffering with disability having the category of leprosy affected shall not be discriminated, as this 96 says that this enactment is in addition to, meaning thereby up to this extent earlier laws are being amended by way of this enactment, because this enactment is in not derogation with. So if this enactment is in addition to, and that enactment says that person with disability suffering with leprosy shall not be entitled for a specific benefits, they shall not be deprived, because this section 96 says this enactment is in addition to, meaning thereby this act shall be read with the law which is, we are saying, discriminatory. Second thing, we all are aware that there are so many principles of interpretation of statute, namely golden rule of interpretation of statute. Second, harmonious construction, to whom we use to interpret the law. RPWD Act 2016 is also being read with golden rule of interpretation of statute, because both laws are being contradictory on some point. One say that if the person is suffering with leprosy will not be entitled for some specific benefits, while RPWD Act is saying because leprosy and leprosy cured persons, leprosy affected persons fall within the ambit of locomotor disability, hence they cannot be discriminated on the ground of disability. The need is to use the principle of harmonious construction of statute. In this circumstance, if we go through with the principle of harmonious construction of statute, then definitely we will come to conclusion that RPWD Act shall prevail and that discriminatory law will not prevail. This RPWD will have its overriding effect. So, in our opinion, and going through with the whole enactment of the RPWD Act, Right to Person with Disability Act 2016, we should and we must aware the public at large, aware the society, including administration, judiciary and political beings, along with other beings who are performing or who are related to the society, administration, whatever their form may be, then definitely we will get and we will come to conclusion that our priority must be the implementation of the Right to Person with Disability Act 2016. We should not do our futile exercise for the removal of discriminatory laws. We must use our full force to implement the RPWD Act on the ground. Then those golden days for which we are dreaming will come in practical before our eyes, and we will say that yes, we are not discriminated, we are also the part of this society and we are performing our best towards the development of our society as well as nation. Today's topic is ended here now, with a request that till now, if you did not subscribe our channel with notification, please do it. Your opinion is valuable for me, for us, for the betterment of the society. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.